Hi, my name is Om, and this is what tool or software you can say I've created. Yas Video Downloader, and let me give a demo for this, how it works, how you can use it. So just open any browser and on YouTube, let's say. So let me just tell you what it does is it can download video from most of the website where you can find b-rolls, and you don't have to wait for like advertise or like 15 seconds to generate a link. So I'll just give you a quick and fast demo of it. So let's say this podcast, I want to use it in my edit and I want to download this is a 2.5 hour long podcast. I'll just copy its link and I'll just paste it over here and I'll just hit download. It also have a subtitle option which I have created, also the quality options and mp3 mp4 both. Not just YouTube, it can also download from Insta. Let's say I want to download this video, I'll just copy this link and paste it over here and I'll hit download and it's downloaded. It's very fast. Also, if I want to download something from Twitter, let's say this video, I'll just copy its video address and I'll just paste it over here and it's downloaded. And this is also downloaded. You can see complete over here. Now let's check the video what we have downloaded. I'll just minimize it all. So yeah, this was a YouTube video and
So let's
just see the quality of the video.
ये local MP teaching one what teaching does is I'm going to touch about this in some time. Teaching is the best way to learn. Yeah. There is something called a learning pyramid.
It's the
Just 5 up.
same quality as what it is uploaded over there.
Till now क्योंकि मुझे उससे बहुत डर लगता है मैं एक पेंट करूँ
and there's also there's no like render pixel or like render error or like some kind of boxes when you download it.
आपको उसके साथ बॉन्डिंग नहीं करना है बट सिविल कर्टेसी आप
This is downloaded. This is from Insta.
I don't know if you know this, but there's an entire industry in India built to help young Indians crack the FANG interview. How do you get out of the competitive exam mindset with all these shifts coming about? I think there's a sort of getting left.
There's no
If
like
you were an engineer
downgrade in quality or something.
keep up. I see it a bit different.
It just make work easier. This is the Twitter video. So the idea behind this was like I was working in a IP where I have to download like multiple B-rolls from YouTube and Instagram. And after doing this for like 4 or 5 days, I realized like I was wasting too much time on downloading this podcast and videos for B-rolls. For like if I download it from like other websites, so there वहाँ पे ad आ जाते हैं, like you have to wait for like 15 seconds or they redirect you to the another website which is also an another ad, or you have to download that unnecessary extension in your browser to get the video download. So I was like, why should I do that? So I built this. It's just saves me a lot of time. And also, if I want to download video from Twitter or Instagram, I have to go to another website like Instagram video downloader or Twitter video downloader. And this I created like it's a universal video downloader. Just put any video link from website and most of the website it gets the downloaded. Like हो जाएगा download video without any hassle. Also अगर एक फीचर और मैंने ऐड किया है YouTube के सबटाइटल्स डाउनलोड करने का. लाइक बहुत बार प्रीमियर भी लाइक 15 मिनट्स लगा देता है SRT जनरेट करने में. सो अगर हम यूट्यूब के वीडियो से डाउनलोड करते टाइम में उसका सबटाइटल भी हमको चाहिए एसआरटी फाइल, सो हमको बस यहाँ एसआरटी फाइल क्लिक करना है एंड लैंग्वेज सेलेक्ट करना है जो यूट्यूब ने खुद जनरेट की है, तो वो इजीली डाउनलोड कर देगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो like one feature I added, and yes, this is what I made, and yeah, this is how it works. It's fast. It runs it runs locally on your computer. Yeah, thank you.